let me show you one of the biggest mistakes founders make when a dispute starts. We worked on a complex Web3 dispute involving digital assets, intellectual property, and multiple counterparties. At first glance, our client looked like the party on a defensive side. Most people would have started defending themselves immediately. We did not. This is how most founders tend to react. Someone makes an allegation, you panic. You try to explain everything, defend yourself, hope the facts eventually come out. But reacting first often puts you in a weaker position. Before responding, we rebuilt the facts. We reviewed the agreements, reviewed the wallet activity, reviewed the financial records, reviewed the timeline, reviewed the communications piece by piece. The story started to look very different. So instead of arguing about the allegations, we focused on preserving the assets. We protected the identities involved. We rebuilt the evidence. We coordinated with third parties. We created commercial pressure. Then we positioned the matter for private resolution. That's exactly what our strategic structure review is designed to do. For this project, we didn't just write legal letters. We built an evidence-backed strategy. We coordinated multiple counterparties. We reconstructed the financial picture. We protected key assets while the facts were being established. And every step was designed to strengthen our client's position before the dispute escalated further. The biggest lesson from this project is quite simple. Don't let the first accusation become the accepted story. Start with evidence, rebuild the facts, then decide your strategy. That's how you protect your leverage.